Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how you can recover your Tinder account without email. So without wasting much of our time, let's dive into the video. So first and foremost, all you need to do is simply tap open a web browser of your preference and type in Tinder support. To do this, click on the first link you get, and in what can we help with, you can simply tap on trouble with account login. So in the what's going on section, please press on the I can't verify my email or phone number. Once you do this, you need to enter your email address, and after your email address is done being filled, you can simply type in your mobile phone number as well. So now in description, simply type in how you're not being able to type in your account details like your email and phone number, and tell the Tinder account to help you get logged in, and simply tap on the submit file. So in this way you can recover your Tinder account without your email address. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with these informative videos.